Summer temperatures can be brutal, and we know it can be frustrating to be without power during high heat, but maintenance outages are something that can't always be avoided.
You guys got plenty of water? Our service territory is so large, and there's so many different competing challenges that we have, from high fire temperatures in the triple digits every day, sometimes triple digits in the middle of the night. ACs are continue to pump, everyone's home trying to stay cool.
Southern California Edison is working year-round to constantly upgrading and replacing infrastructure to make sure that we deliver reliable power.
When we hit the threshold of 105 to 112, we keep that maintenance outage to a 5-hour maximum. And if we can, we try to forecast our work in the beginning of the year, especially for us in Palm Springs, to look at everything around us. If it's on the same line, can we make it part of the same outage? So then once we de-energize that customer, now it's just a matter of a couple hours as opposed to a full 6 to 8 hour day.